Knowing where to return your Cognizant device is a crucial step, so let's dive in and make sure you get it right. First things first, let's talk about the importance of returning your device when your employment concludes. It's absolutely essential that you return your Cognizant equipment. This helps maintain data security and allows for efficiency in the end of employment processes. Cognizant offers various options for device returns. The most common locations are at the reception desk, the IT Department Dropoff, or in a designated location that aligns with company policies. Option 1. The reception desk. Many Cognizant offices utilize reception desk for device returns. Ask your manager if this is applicable to your office policy. Generally, you can hand your device to the receptionist, ensuring you've properly backed up or removed your personal data. Next up, the IT Department Drop-Off. Another common location is the IT Department Drop-Off. Particularly in larger offices, this allows the IT members to quickly and efficiently take the devices who will want to confirm your exact drop-off location policies to ensure the returning process runs smoothly. Lastly, there might be a specific, designated location within the office for device returns. This could be a separate office space or designated cabinet. Always check your company policies to confirm the correct device return location for your office. To summarize, and most importantly, before returning your device, confirm the exact steps with your manager. They will guide you through the approved process within your specific office and will eliminate any confusion. Remember, following these steps guarantees a smooth device return process. If you had any questions, consult your manager or IT support. Good luck, and thanks for following.